You'll get to know how to earn money beside a job. Actually, we will tell you the 12 methods to earn more money besides your primary job. But if you eagerly watch till the end, you will get to know another bonus earning method. Now let's start. Number 1. Establish an e-commerce platform. Establishing an online store can be a viable avenue for generating income. Evaluate the products or services that capture your interest, develop a strategic plan, establish your own website, and begin marketing to online shoppers. Operating an e-commerce store can be an effective strategy to generate additional income alongside your primary employment, or even if you don't have one. Consider utilizing a platform such as Shopify, which offers customizable themes, secure payment options, efficient inventory management, and valuable analytics tools. Having everything consolidated allows your store to expand seamlessly as your business flourishes. Number 2. Consider engaging in various side tasks. Exploring alternative income streams can be beneficial, and utilizing platforms such as TaskRabbit or Fiverr for freelance opportunities is a practical approach. These applications facilitate connections with individuals seeking assistance for tasks such as grocery shopping, relocating furniture, or cleaning services. Consider exploring opportunities in house sitting or pet sitting as a way to generate additional income on your own schedule. If you possess strong organizational skills, you might want to explore the opportunity of becoming a virtual assistant. Assisting clients with tasks such as scheduling meetings, managing emails, or managing data entry can be highly beneficial. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more earning tricks. Number 3. Create and market t-shirts. One alternative avenue for generating income outside of a conventional employment setting is by creating and selling your own custom-designed t-shirts. Today, you can begin without the need for a printing factory or intricate machinery. Print-on-demand platforms such as Printify provide an opportunity for you to create custom t-shirts, along with a variety of other products, and list them for sale on the internet. The most advantageous aspect is that you incur no costs for producing a t-shirt until a customer places an order through your website. If you currently lack a dedicated website for showcasing your products, consider leveraging marketplaces such as Redbubble to effectively sell your designs. Number 4. Consider opportunities in transcription services. If you possess a keen eye for detail, access to a quality pair of headphones, and a bit of spare time, you may find this opportunity appealing. There is potential for income generation through transcription work. Many organizations remain hesitant to rely entirely on automated transcription services, indicating a significant opportunity for skilled individuals proficient in listening and typing. Simply consider listing your services on platforms such as People Per Hour or Fiverr to enhance your visibility and reach potential clients. Number 5. Consider purchasing gifts for others. While shopping has certainly become more convenient in recent times, it remains a task that many individuals find challenging to fit into their busy schedules. Fortunately, this indicates that there are potential earning opportunities available for you. Platforms such as Instacart and Favor offer opportunities to earn income by picking up groceries and household essentials for others. Consider utilizing a car, scooter, or bike for your deliveries, or even walking to certain locations for efficiency. Number 6. Earn income by providing pet sitting services. Numerous pet owners engage professionals to care for their beloved pets during extended work hours or when traveling out of town. Consider generating income by providing pet sitting or care services for individuals while they are out of town. Consider securing a pet sitting opportunity by distributing flyers in your local area and leveraging social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to market your services effectively. Consider registering with pet sitting platforms such as Rover to establish connections with individuals seeking reliable sitters. Number 7. Monetize your photography by selling your images online. Are you able to capture high-quality photographs? If that's the case, you might want to think about capturing and selling stock images, as businesses utilize them for various marketing and branding strategies. For most websites that accept online submissions, such as Alamy or 500px, you have the option to capture images using your smartphone or a digital camera. It is essential to ensure that each of your photos aligns with the quality and content standards set forth by the marketplace you select. Number 8. Oversee social media accounts. If you possess strong skills in social media and understand effective content strategies, there are opportunities to monetize your expertise by assisting brands in managing their accounts. Begin by targeting local enterprises and provide them with social media management solutions. Develop your reputation and expertise over time, transforming your talent for social media into a lucrative opportunity. Number 9. Consider launching a YouTube channel. Consider the potential benefits of starting a YouTube channel. Consider creating videos that focus on DIY projects, travel experiences, culinary advice, or even the excitement of unboxing innovative gadgets. By maintaining engaging content and adhering to a consistent posting schedule, you can effectively build a robust subscriber base. Subsequently, you have the opportunity to generate income by utilizing advertisements and promoting affiliate links for products that you genuinely appreciate. Number 10. Consider renting out your vehicle. If you possess a vehicle, it may be worth exploring the option of renting it out. You have the flexibility to rent it out for a few hours, a full day, or any duration that suits your needs using Turo. Turo provides an opportunity for private car owners to monetize their vehicles by listing them for rental, allowing them to generate income with each booking made. You can expect to receive a commission ranging from 65% to 85% of the trip price, with funds being deposited into your PayPal account within 5 days following the booking. Number 11. Create online courses. There are opportunities to generate income by leveraging your knowledge and expertise. Develop educational programs covering a wide range of subjects, including history, coding, writing, and graphic design. Music production can also be a viable option if it aligns with your interests. The courses may be delivered through various formats, including videos, podcasts, or written materials. With time, these could evolve into a source of passive income. Consider uploading them to platforms such as YouTube or Skillshare, where you have the opportunity to earn a portion of the revenue. Consider selling them directly through your own website. Number 12. Consider liquidating items you currently possess. Consider generating additional income by liquidating items that are no longer essential to you, such as outdated books and used kitchen gadgets, or sports equipment that has seen better days. Consider utilizing online platforms such as eBay or Facebook Marketplace for listing your items, or alternatively, organize a garage sale within your community to maximize your sales potential. If you have an interest in fashion, consider exploring thrift stores, as they can be excellent sources for acquiring clothing that may be resold for a profit. If you possess creative skills, it may be worthwhile to explore the option of producing handmade goods or prints for sale through online platforms or at community craft fairs. Number 13. Generate income through survey platforms. Participating in surveys on platforms that compensate you for your insights can be a viable way to generate income. Platforms like Cashkick and Survey Junkie are widely regarded as favorable options. Utilizing your spare time effectively, these online surveys provide an opportunity to generate income by assisting companies in their market research efforts. In-person opportunities exist, such as focus groups and interviews, where you can earn compensation for sharing your insights. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the rules of money that can make you rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete the goal of 10,000 subscribers.